It's October 23rd, 2022. Let's start the update with the moss rose. It looks like the plant is dying back now. It's probably getting too cold. Here's the ground cherry. The leaf is changing color a little bit. And here, if you look closely, you'll see a new flower forming. And here's that first flower. I think we saw that last week. Here's the raspberry, asparagus, mulberry, all dying back now. Rhubarb, blueberry, grape, and peony. All the leaves are turning yellow or red. As for the lavender, new flowers are still forming, and these ones are probably going to open soon. Clean up the tomato quite a bit. Here's the Cuban sweet pepper. Some more of the peppers have turned pretty much completely red. Here's the shishito pepper. Here's the jalapeno. A few more peppers over here. Here's a big one. And the jalapeno pepper is actually still flowering. I'm kind of surprised. It's been raining a little bit, so here you can see the tomatoes has popped open. It's happening to pretty much every fruit that it's producing. Here you can see another one that has popped open. Over here, the broccolini is flowering still. And this is the harvest I did today. 2 of the Cuban sweet pepper, and then a few shishito peppers and a jalapeno pepper. And tomatoes that have popped open. For the patio, the hydrangea leaves are still green, and here you can see some new flowers forming. It's a bit late in the season. The basils have flopped over, but here you can see some flowers from the sweet basil. And I don't think there's any flower from the Thai basil. As for the indoor garden, here we have the mini oncidium. These flowers have all opened. Here's the other mini oncidium. The flowers are still forming. You can sort of see the flower buds already. And here's the lady slipper orchid. The flower is still open. And the dendrobium flowers are still forming, as you can see. I also repotted the elephant bush plants, also split them into 2. Hopefully this would help with the leaf falling issue. As for the pineapple, that stem that broke up has completely dried up. And guess what? It's sending out the side growth right here. You can see a new growth forming from the side. Actually not sure if this one's gonna flower or not. Gonna have to look it up, but yeah, it's quite interesting.